today we have two of the people. One of them is from government private school, and one of them, Shreya, is from government school. So they have their own perceptions about the school, and there are many people who say private school is much better because you get lots and lots of facilities there, and the standard of education is also high. Whereas in government schools, you don't find that much facilities, and also the teachers are not that equipped. And that's the reason why most of the people, even if they are government teachers, they admit their kids to private schools. So it has always been a phrase of saying. So today we'll try to find out from them. So what do you think, Aryan? Which school is better, government school or private school?
Private school is better as government school because there a lot of facilities like annual function is better than government school, and their principal is very good, and their fees is low.
He is right, but in government school everything is free of cost, and government school give us advantage to meet government officers. Private school not give us to this advantage. He is right. Government school has low facilities, but now we have more facilities than private school.
She is right, but private school is better than government school because their teachers are very good than government school, and school is very good.
He is right, but he is not much right because in government school we have also smart boards in every class, and in private school they have not many smart boards. One or two it's have, but not much. And also you also know that government school teachers exam is more difficult than private school exams, private school teachers exams.
In private school there are many facilities because their principal is good, and there are many facilities like swimming pool and many activities.
Aryan is right, but he is not much right because in government school we have also very talented, very good principals. In private school also, but government school also. And I also want to talk about this. In any job offer, first opportunity gives to government school students, not given to private school students.
और ये तोड़ रही है, उंगली तोड़ रही है, उंगली तोड़ रही है, शुरुआत ही दमदार हो चुकी है श्रेया की. So let's try to find out from the people what do they think about you.
For more fatalities than